was my face about 5 years ago. Follow along and I will tell you guys how I went from that to this. Step number one is I had my baby because it was the trigger. This is when I was pregnant with my first. I did have pretty bad acne before this pregnancy as well. I controlled with a crazy diet change. For me personally, I've noticed dairy and sugar was really what was doing it. Once I finally got my acne under control, and that's the most important part, get it under control, because if you're doing scarring treatments while you're still breaking out, you're wasting your time and money. I was left with pretty bad scarring. So if you could tell, a lot of cystic acne. Like if you look up here, a lot of cystic acne, a lot of pigmentation. The cystic acne, the little divots in the skin that left behind, a lot of microneedling. It's done wonders for my skin. It helps build the collagen. Adding PRP or exosomes has really helped brighten up my skin. For the pigmentation that's left behind, key is wear the sunscreen, because every time that pigmentation is in contact with sun, it's just going to get darker and it's going to get worse. So then chemical peels really helps with that. For me personally, I've done a Cosmelan, Perfect Derma Peel, and I just did a VI peel. Skincare products at home is also key, because you can do all the fancy stuff, but if you're not bringing it home, it doesn't help. So retinol, vitamin C, Lytera, or even a Correct right now for the brightening. You can go from this with the right treatments and finally get to the point where I'm getting. I used to never ever leave my house without a full face of makeup. I wouldn't even speak to people so close up because it was just so embarrassing. It's a process. This is 5 years ago and I'm still working on it, but there's hope.